Hello students, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Let's start today's session and this session for class 3rd subject SST chapter 1 Our Country India. It's lecture number 3, topic summary and book exercise. It's from second term. Yes, we have already discussed this chapter in lecture number 1 and 2. Once again, let's read the entire chapter highlights. As we had studied about the physical, geographical and political division of India. Have you remembered what had been studied in physical, geographical features of India? Yes, we had studied the northern plains, northern mountains, the islands and rivers. Okay, think how many major geographical features of India we do have? Yes, these are 6. Now repeat with me one by one. Number 1, the northern mountains, the northern plains. Yes, beta, speak loudly. The Deccan Plateau, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal plains, the islands. Now, I will brief you about northern plains. Land area that is very flat means भूमि का वह भाग जो काफ़ी दूर तक समतल हो, उस भूभाग को हम प्लेन्स कहते हैं. That's part of the land which is quite flat. We call plains. Where do we see plains in India's map? Northern plains are in north side of India. That's the reason we call northern plains. Now, same as northern plains, the mountain situated in a north called northern mountains. You can see these mountains are also on the north side in the map of India. Think and name which mountain is situated in the north part of India. Yes, my dear students, the Great Himalaya are in the north part of India. Now, what is plateau? प्लेट्यू आसपास की ज़मीन से कुछ उठा हुआ भाग जो ऊपर से समतल होता है उसको प्लेट्यू कहते हैं. A land which is triangular but flat at the top called plateau. Next we will study about desert. Desert a part of land on the earth where water and rainfall is very less and make the soil very dry. Which desert situated in India? Did you remember the desert name? The Thar Desert. Yes, the Thar Desert, which is in Rajasthan. Next is coastal plains. Means तटीय मैदान. Coastal. Next is islands. Islands. Land that is surrounded by water all around. Now it's clear. All have understood. Let us discuss about political division of India. India is a political divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Why? These divisions have been made for easy administrative purpose. Now quick scroll. India is the 7th largest country of the world. भारत दुनिया का 7वां सबसे बड़ा देश है. Next, a physical feature includes rivers, mountains, plateau, plains, island, etc. Means physical feature में आते हैं river, mountain, plateau, island. Okay. Next is the map that shows physical features is called a physical map, and that the map that shows political division is called a political map. That map shows political division, it is a political map. That map shows physical features, it is physical map. How many states and union territories in India? India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Now we will do the question answer which were left in the previous lecture. So open your notebook and make the format. First you must write date, then day, here C.W, Lesson 1. Our country India. Question slash then write down answer. Here question 4. Question 4 is, how is a mountain different from a plateau? The answer is the difference is that mountain are very high areas with steep slopes. Next question is, name the two islands groups of India. Answer is Lakshadweep. Islands and Andaman Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Next question number 6. Name any two rivers of the Deccan Plateau of India? Answer is Godavari and Krishna. Rivers of the Deccan Plateau of India. You must learn all question answer along with written work. Now open your subject book. Please be attentive. If you have not completed your work, you can pause this video. Complete your work. Now book page number 7. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The plains are generally shown in dash color in a map. Yes, green color. The complete sentence are the plains are generally shown in green color in a map. Second, the highest plateau in the world. Highest plateau? The answer is Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Next, number 3. The summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is dash and the winter capital is dash. Write down Srinagar and Jammu. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar in summer, and in winter the capital of Jammu Kashmir is Jammu. Next, 4th, the eastern coastal plains lie along the Bay of Bengal. Next, 5th number, 2 Indian states which have the same capital are and dash. Did you remember which 2 states it was? Perfect. Punjab and Haryana. Just a 1 minute beta. Punjab and Haryana. Yes, dear students, ये 5th fill in the blanks जो है ये एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है कि 2 इंडियन स्टेट्स विच हैव द सेम कैपिटल, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा कैपिटल इज चंडीगढ़. Yes, and the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, इन दोनों के भी जो कैपिटल है सेम है. विच वन? हैदराबाद. ओके, तो आप पंजाब एंड हरियाणा लिखें या फिर आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना लिखें, इट डजेंट मैटर, कोई बात नहीं, आप दोनों ही आंसर सही हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सी पार्ट. राइट ट्रू टी और फॉल्स एफ अगेंस्ट ईच स्टेटमेंट. Number 1, Chandigarh is not a union territory. Is this sentence true or false? It's false. True is Chandigarh is a union territory. Second, river is a physical feature. Yes, it's true. So write down here T. Third, the river Ganga flows through the Deccan Plateau. It's false because the river Ganga flows through the northern plains. Number 4, the highest peak in the world is in the Himalayas. Yes, it's true. Next, the camel is an important animal of the coastal area. No beta, it's false because the camel is an important animal of the desert, not in the coastal area. Next is D. Match the column A and B. Column A, the Himalayan range, the Thar Desert, Lakshadweep Islands, Nagaland, the Ganga River. In column B, the northern plain, Kohima, the Arabian Sea, Rajasthan, north. You have to use your brain and complete match the following in your book only. And the question and answers you need to write in your notebook with good handwriting. Subscribe this channel if you like my video. That is it, this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.